this section, we're covering trade tools. A service technician is only as good as the tools in one's arsenal. HVAC requires a variety of tools that are vital to installation, maintenance, troubleshooting, and replacing and repairing of systems. Learn how to leverage these tools will help you solve any problems and ace the job. On the right side of me, I have your basic tools that pretty much everybody's familiar with. And on the left-hand side of me, I have HVAC specialty tools. These are more your HVAC tools that we use on an everyday basis. I'm going to go through some of them and the functions, how to use them, and where to use them at. So for instance, we have the service wrench. We use these when we're opening up valves on the refrigerant lines. This allows you to close the lines off so you can remove the unit, or if you need to remove a component in a mechanical part of the system, such as a TXV, filter dryer, compressor, any of those consist, you need to close it off, and this is what we use. This is a set of 410A refrigerant gauges. This is an analog gauge we use to hook up and check charge, recover refrigerant. Anything you have to do mechanically, checks your pressures. There's also a digital version of it, which is a little bit more accurate than an analog. Also, you want to use different types of refrigerants. Usually a digital a gauge has that type of capability. This is a carbon monoxide detector. It allows you to check carbon monoxide when a system is running. We use this during maintenances or even troubleshooting calls. It's a crucial instrument to have in your tool bag for safety purposes for the customer and for everybody else in the house. This is a duck knife. Pretty much it's used to cut duck. You probably don't want to carry this on you all the time, but also at the same time you want to have it in your bag because it is very useful. You do need to make cuts to look into the plenums or even to make plenums or any type of ductwork. This is a 11-in-1 tool made by Klein. What this does, it allows having multiple functions for a tool. It can act as a Phillips head, screwdriver, and other features. This is a psychrometrical meter that allows you to check relative humidity and temperature. This is a Klein wire stripper. It allows you to make any types of connections for electrical wiring. Also allows you to strip them. It also allows you to crimp them. This is a multimeter used to check electricity, to check amperage, and also this allows you to check temperature too if needed. And also another tool is to have a calculator on hand because you are going to use a lot of calculations doing square footage or even doing formulas or adding up the money, right? So you're going to need a good calculator, and the one on your phone is just, it's going to work perfect for you, so you can just use that one. Honestly, you get what you pay for. Make sure you invest in a nice set of tools. Having a good set of tools makes you effective at your job and keeps you safe. I know I covered everything at a high level, but this is the introductory of tools.